For sale. A luxury mansion. Located in Chigwell, Essex, England. It offers 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Set within nearly 4 acres of landscaped, gated grounds in the heart of Chigwell village, Bowlands Manor and the lodge together offer over 15,000 square feet of accommodation in a private and prestigious location. The principal residence extends to 12,700 square feet across 2 floors. It provides 5 large bedroom suites, 7 reception rooms, a lift and a grand oak staircase. Highlights include a bespoke small-bone kitchen, multiple formal and informal living areas, a fitted library and a study. The galleried landing leads to spacious bedrooms, each with bespoke wardrobes and luxury en-suites. The principal suite includes a large dressing room and 4-piece bathroom. The lodge is a self-contained residence of 2,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms, private garden and garaging, ideal for extended family or guests. Externally, the estate offers landscaped gardens, a large gated driveway, multiple garages, and outbuildings. The asking price of this luxury mansion estate is £10 million. Bowlands Manor and the lodge combine scale, privacy, and luxury in one of Chigwell's most desirable settings, offering a rare opportunity to acquire a landmark estate just minutes from central London connections. Thank you for watching.